Episodio número 6. La maleta. Hola viajeros, and welcome back to the final episode of this season of Immersive Spanish. Well, all good things must come to an end. And sadly, my wonderful but brief adventure in Seville is drawing to a close. I'm in my Airbnb right now, packing my suitcase for my flight back to England. Now, as I pack all my items back into my maleta, mi maleta, see? Let's see just how many of them you know in Spanish. I'm going to call out all of the items I'm packing in Spanish. All you need to do is see if you recognize them or can work them out. Let's begin. Inside la maleta, I'm packing ropa. Ropa. Do you know what this is? Imagine using rope to hang and dry all of your clothes. Ropa. La ropa. The clothing. Next, I have mis zapatos. Zapatos. Or, as you would hear it here in Spain, zapatos. Zapatos. You use your zapatos to pat the floor. Zapatos. I'm talking, of course, of none other than shoes. Los zapatos. Next, we have cepillo de dientes. Cepillo de dientes. Know what this is? What do dientes sound like? Think of dental work for your dientes. Dental dientes. Dientes are teeth. Now, how about cepillo? Cepillo de dientes. Well, cepillo is spelt with a double L, hence why it's pronounced like a Y. Cepillo. Now, in your head, visualize two L's. They're long and straight, kind of like the bristles of a brush. And that's exactly what a cepillo is. Un cepillo. Think of sep in cepillo sounding like septic. And when you think of something septic, you think of something that needs to be scrubbed clean with a brush. Altogether then we have cepillo de dientes, a toothbrush. Next to my cepillo de dientes, también tengo pasta de dientes. Pasta de dientes. What do you think that is? Una pasta de dientes. A paste of teeth? Toothpaste. Pasta de dientes. Remember what a toothbrush was then? Cepillo de dientes. Maravilloso. Muy bien, you guys got this. Okay, so next. Yes, this one is easy, as long as you keep your ears peeled. Ready? Here I have shampoo. Shampoo. Yep, it's shampoo. El shampoo. Yes, of course. I have here another item we use in the shower. Jabón. El jabón. Any idea of what jabón could be? It's soap. El jabón. To remember jabón, think about how it sounds like hang on, which is something you need to do with your soap because it gets very slippery in the shower. Or imagine your friend is holding your hand, but you have soapy hands. Hang on, jabón. Say it. Hang on, jabón. Muy bien. Next, I've got an item that you wouldn't want to bring in the shower. Here, what I have, aquí, lo que tengo, es un cargador. Un cargador. What does that sound like to you? Carga. Think of a Cockney fella. All right, mate, you got a charger? Charger. Carga. Well, cargador is a charger. Say it with me. El cargador. I also have here my e-ticket, but it's on my phone. I don't need to pack that. An e-ticket, by the way, is un boleto electrónico. Boleto electrónico. But guys, what else? ¿Qué más necesito empacar? What else do I need to pack? ¿Qué más necesito empacar? Ah, sí. Dos cosas más. Two more things. Primero, crema solar y gafas de sol. Those two items both include the word sun. Crema solar y gafas de sol. Crema solar, that's sun cream, whilst gafas de sol are sunglasses, glasses of sun. Bueno, ¿qué más necesito empacar? Hang on. Somebody's knocking on the door. Ay, perdone. Ya me voy. Well, I didn't mention it yet, but I'm slightly late for checkout, and I don't want to keep them waiting. Furthermore, I called a taxi about 15 minutes ago. I should wait for them outside. I think I have everything I need. I'm pretty sure. Bueno, bye Airbnb. Adios. I guess we'll wait here, under this shady tree. It's not usually the best idea to leave your packing until the last minute, but I only have myself to blame here. I really feel like I'm forgetting something though. Can we quickly just go over everything for peace of mind? I know. How about I list each item in English, then you repeat it in Spanish? That's a win-win. But first, to say I packed, as in I packed my bag or I packed my shoes, you would say empaqué. Empaqué. Put an emphasis on the final E at the end of the word. Empaqué. Now, ¿qué empaqué en mi maleta? What did I pack in my suitcase? ¿Qué empaqué en mi maleta? Well, first, I packed my clothes, of course. How would you say I packed my clothes? Empaqué mi ropa. Empaqué mi ropa. I packed my clothing. Then, I packed my shoes. How would you say I packed my shoes? Remember, shoes are those zappy things that we can pat the floor with. Zapatos. Empaqué mis zapatos. Remember, they're mis zapatos, not mi zapatos. Mis zapatos because they are multiple. Empaqué mis zapatos. Next, how do you say toothbrush in Spanish? Remember the two L's looking like the bristles of a brush. Cepillo de dientes. Cepillo de dientes. How would you say, therefore, I packed the toothbrush? Empaqué el cepillo de dientes. Perfecto. But how about that toothpaste? How do you say the paste of teeth? La pasta de dientes. La pasta, de, dientes. This one should be easier. How would you say, I packed the shampoo? Empaqué el champú. Empaqué el champú. Whilst we are on the roll with toiletries, can you tell me the word for soap? Remember, soap is slippery, so it rhymes with hang on. It's jabón. Hang on to the jabón. Almost there. I think I've remembered everything. My sun cream is here at the top of my suitcase. How do you say sun cream? Crema solar. Crema solar. Finally, and I know I've got these because they're in my pocket, but how would you say sunglasses? Gafas de sol. Gafas de sol. Right, well, great job. Keep practicing these words and you'll be well prepared for your next journey to the Spanish-speaking world. I think that's everything packed. Acabo de recibir un mensaje. I just received a message. From reception. Uh-oh. Mi pasaporte! I left my passport in reception. I knew I was forgetting something. Ay no, mi pasaporte. Let me just run back into reception and get that. ¿Mi pasaporte? Sí, por favor. Ay, muchísimas gracias. Casi lo olvidé. Right, the taxi's here. I'm going to get in. Voy a subirme al taxi. Bueno, viajeros, it's time for me to head to the aeropuerto. I hope you've enjoyed this immersive journey through Seville as much as I have. Remember, learning a language is an ongoing adventure, so keep practicing and keep exploring. Until next time, when we'll embark on our new Spanish-speaking destination. This is Kav saying, hasta luego y buen viaje.